So most of you are asking again and again that how we have to claim the GitHub Copilot Dev Days swag and what is the correct procedure. Do we need to present online or offline over there for getting the swags? So in this video, we'll cover everything. So make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. So in case you don't know about GitHub Copilot Dev Days, it's a offline conference, offline. Okay, you have to be physically present over there. There'll be some cool fun fact sessions where Microsoft experts will be guiding you about AI, the new technologies which they are planning to launch, and there'll be mentoring sessions over there. Apart from this, you'll be getting some swags and free food too. I have already made a video regarding it, how to register and how to find the nearby events. Okay, I'll link the video in the description. From there you can easily find it. Now coming directly to the swags, how I'll be getting the swags. As per the official notification, there is no mention of swags on their official website, right? Then how you'll be getting the swags? So mostly in as we have seen in DevFest and previous seasons of the GitHub Copilot Dev Days, that the organizers who are organizing the event, there will be some quizzes. Okay, there will be some quizzes, some events. Okay, then if you win in those events, you'll be getting the t-shirts, bag, bottles, whatever they the organizers plan to give. Also, there is no any such rule that only the quiz winners will be getting the swags. So it totally depends upon the organizers whether they want to give the swags or not. Okay, so there is no official information regarding the swags that everyone who participate in this event will be getting the swags. Generally, if you visit any event, any offline event, whether it's MLH, whether it's any hackathon, they generally give a t-shirt, a diary, a pen, okay, and a bottle also sometime. So like this, these are the simple things I want to clarify because the clarification should be there. Okay, you should understand about the event that the swags already depend upon the organizers whether they plan to give it or not. So this is the important thing I wanted to share because most of you are asking about the swags only. See, generally I have participated in some of the sessions. My friends have also participated in their sessions. They have received a t-shirt, okay, attendee t-shirt they have got. Also there were some quizzes with the Microsoft because this is GitHub is also owned by Microsoft only. So the Microsoft announced some quizzes and they won in quizzes. Even in DevFest also you must have seen people getting t-shirts over there. I have also posted a DevFest t-shirt. If I just show you, so here you can see, if I just come, so 4 years ago, I think the video is not here, but I have received the t-shirt from DevFest also just by attending on that event. As it was during the COVID period, so it was online conference. Even if you visit offline, they give t-shirt. So in simple words, what about the swags? So if you visit offline, it totally depends upon the organizers whether they plan to give t-shirt or not. Mostly they give. So I just wanted to clarify, okay, so that not after the event anyone claims that we have not got the swags, we have promised that we'll be getting the swags. So I just wanted to maintain a transparency between us that swags totally depend upon the organizers. Mostly they give swags and food. Okay, food means the sessions, after the session there'll be a short lunch break. Mostly they have they have it too. So this was the quick update I wanted to share. Thank you, have a great day ahead.